Have you ever noticed something interesting? Have you ever seen a woman walk into a room without saying a word, yet everyone notices her? Not because her makeup is perfect, not because she is wearing expensive clothes, not because she is trying to impress anyone, but because she carries confidence. Real confidence does not live in lipstick or flawless foundation. It comes from somewhere deeper, a place where a woman believes, I am enough, I am worthy, and I do not need permission to be myself. Today, we're talking about a truth many women spend years discovering. A confident woman is not the most beautiful woman in the room. She is the woman who believes in herself the most. Part 1. We were taught to be beautiful before being confident. From a very young age, women are quietly taught something. To be liked, look beautiful. To be noticed, fix your appearance. To feel confident, perfect how you look. We grow up surrounded by advertisements, social media, and ideal images that convince us confidence comes from appearance. Many women feel confident only when their skin looks perfect, their hair is styled, their outfit feels right, their makeup is flawless. But here's the truth. If confidence depends on appearance, it will always be fragile. One bad skin day, one imperfect outfit, one judgmental glance, and suddenly, confidence disappears. Because that was never real confidence. It was temporary reassurance. Part 2. Makeup is not wrong, but it is not the source of confidence. Makeup is art. Makeup can be fun. Makeup is a form of self-expression. But the problem begins when a woman starts believing, I am only beautiful with makeup. I cannot go outside without covering my face. I need to hide who I really am. At that moment, makeup stops being a choice and becomes a mask. A truly confident woman uses makeup as an option, not protection. She can wear glamorous makeup, but she can also walk outside with a natural face and still feel comfortable. Because she understands, her worth does not live on her skin. It lives in how she sees herself. Part 3. Confidence begins within. Confidence begins when a woman stops fighting herself, when she stops comparing, stops seeking constant approval, stops trying to become someone others expect her to be. She starts accepting her imperfections, her imperfect days, her past mistakes. Instead of asking, what do others think about me? She begins asking, what do I think about myself? A confident woman walks outside not because she knows everyone will like her, but because she's no longer afraid if someone doesn't. That is freedom. Part 4. The energy of a woman who believes in herself. You can recognize a confident woman instantly, not because of beauty, but because of energy. She walks calmly but with certainty, makes natural eye contact, does not try too hard to impress, does not put others down to feel valuable. She understands that true femininity is not perfection. It is peace within herself. When a woman believes in herself, the world begins to believe in her too. People feel that comfort. And interestingly, the moment she stops trying to be attractive, she becomes effortlessly magnetic. Part 5. What changes when you believe in yourself? When a woman truly believes in herself, she no longer needs attention to feel worthy. She doesn't depend on compliments to feel enough. She doesn't wait to be perfect before showing up. She chooses clothes because she likes them. She wears makeup because she enjoys it. She lives life because she wants to. This confidence is quiet but powerful. It's the kind of confidence that makes others feel safe around her. Because she's not trying to prove anything. She is simply being herself. Closing message. So today, when you step outside, remember this. You do not need perfect makeup to deserve to be seen. You do not need to become someone else to be accepted. Makeup can enhance beauty, but self-belief is what makes a woman shine. A confident woman is not someone without flaws. She is someone who looks in the mirror and says, I am enough. Walk into the world today with your head held high, not because you are perfect, but because you have learned to believe in yourself. And that is the most powerful beauty a woman can have.